Dear learners, how are you? I hope you are well. Today I shall do the chapter average. We have already finished all the chapter of your math book. I have written a problem, competency based problem. The average of Oppu and Deepu is 22 years. The average of Deepu and Tipu is 24 years. Oppu's age is 21 years. Questions. What is the total age of Oppu and Deepu? B. What is the age of Deepu? Question number C. What is the age of Deepu? Oppu এবং দীপুর অ্যাভারেজ এজ দেওয়া আছে 22 ইয়ার্স and Deepu and Tipur average age দেওয়া আছে 24 years and Oppu's age is 21 years. এই নম্বর প্রশ্নে বলা হয়েছে হোয়াট ইজ দ্য টোটাল এজ অফ Oppu and Deepu? Oppu এবং দীপুর মোট বয়স কত, টোটাল এজ কত? I am erasing the question. We know that average equal to sum of the quantity divided by number of quantity. Average in a formula sum of the quantity divided by number of quantity. Total কিভাবে বের করবে? টোটাল নির্ণয় করবে কিভাবে? sum of the quantity equal to কত? sum of the quantity equal to average into number of quantity. Average into number of quantity. Okay? Yes. Sum of the quantity equal to average into number of quantity. Okay, now I am reading the question again. The average age of Oppu and Deepu is 22 years. The average age of Deepu and Tipu is 24 years. Oppu's age is 21 years. What is the total age? Total means sum. What is the total age of Oppu and Deepu? তাহলে টোটাল এজ ইকুয়াল টু কি? অ্যাভারেজ ইনটু নাম্বার অফ কোয়ান্টিটি। ওকে, নাও রাইট the average age of Oppu and Deepu. Right, the average age of Oppu and Deepu is 22 years. Then what will be the total age of Oppu and Deepu? Total age of Oppu and Deepu equal to averages into sum of the quantity. Okay, now write the total is of Oppu and Deepu equal to average is 22 into Oppu and Deepu. How many person here? Oppu and Deepu 2 person. Then number of quantity 2. So we have to multiply by 2 is equal to 44 years. Okay. Total age of Oppu and Deepu is equal to 22 into 2 years equal to 44 years. Give answer 44 years. Understand? Hope you understand. Next, question number 2. What is the age of Deepu? What is the age of Deepu? Here we have got the total age of Oppu and Deepu 44 years. Given Oppu's age is 21 years, so we have to do subtraction from A. Now write from A we get, what do we get? We get the total age of Oppu and Deepu is equal to how many years? 44 years. Oppu's age how many years? Oppu's age is how many years? 21 years. Then Deepu's age equal to 44 minus 21 years equal to 23 years. 23 years. Give answer 20 years. Question number 3. What is the age of Tipu? Tipur বয়স কত? Here given the average age of Deepu and Tipu is 24 years. Again we have to find out the total age of Deepu and Tipu. Again write the average age of Deepu and Tipu is how many years? 24 years. The total is of Deepu and Tipu equal to how many years? 24 and number of quantity 2. We have to multiply by 2. 48 years. From B we get Dipu's age is 23 years. Total age of Dipu and Tipu is 48 years. Therefore, Tipu is 48 minus 23 years equal to 25 years. The answer Tipu is 25 years. Page 19. We weighed 3 oranges in a box of 20 oranges and found that these were 335 gram, 320 gram and 371 gram. Question number A. Calculate the average weight of these 3 oranges. Question number 2. Estimate the weight of 20 oranges in the box. একটা বক্সে 20টা অরেঞ্জ আছে, সেখান থেকে 3টা অরেঞ্জ ওজন করা হলো। সেই ওজন করে দেখা গেল যে 3টা অরেঞ্জের ওজন, একটার ওজন 335 গ্রাম, একটার ওজন 320 গ্রাম অ্যান্ড আরেকটার ওজন 371 গ্রাম। এখন এই 3টা অরেঞ্জের অ্যাভারেজ ওয়েট কত? অ্যাভারেজের ফর্মুলা তোমরা জানো, অ্যাভারেজ ইকুয়াল টু সাম অফ দ্য কোয়ান্টিটি ডিভাইডেড বাই নাম্বার অফ কোয়ান্টিটি। Then we have to find out first sum of the 3 oranges. Sum of the তাহলে 3টা অরেঞ্জের ওজনে মোট ওজন কত? 1026 গ্রাম। Therefore, average weight of 3 oranges equal to sum of the quantity divided by number of quantity. Number of quantity 1 2 3 তিনটা অরেঞ্জের ওজন নেওয়া হয়েছে এখানে নাম্বার অফ কোয়ান্টিটি হচ্ছে 3 divided by 3 divide here 1 2 3 goes into 12 4 times 6 3 goes into 6 2 times 6 0 342 gram estimate the weight of 20 oranges in the box 20টা অরেঞ্জের ওজন কত from A we get from 1 we get the average weight of weight of 3 oranges is 342 gram. Therefore, the weight of 20 oranges equal to gram. Here multiply 0 2 4 2 8 6 6 8 4 0 gram. Answer 6840 gram. Okay, now today bye.